Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to make a multi-purpose liquid soap. The type they sell 100 naira. The type you can use to wash dishes and scrub floors, not necessarily bath with it. This one is cheaper to make and it gives you more volume than the transparent soap. So the ingredients I have here are my nitrosol. This is my nitrosol. For my nitrosol, I'm using 100 grams. Then this is my caustic soda, 12 grams. My soda ash, 250 grams. My SLS, is 100 grams. I'm using the rice form. My STPP, this is STPP, 50 grams. Sulfonic acid, 200 mils. Hexapon, 50 grams. My color, you can use any color you want. I'm using a water-based color. It is already diluted. You dilute it with just a little bit of water, perfume, and preservative. I'm using formalin as my preservative. So let's go into the video proper. For this liquid soap, I'm making a total volume of about 10 liters. Okay. So before I start, I will first dissolve most of my chemicals. I will start with my SLS. I'm going to dissolve it with about 500 mils of water. I'm going to use warm water to dissolve it. So this is my 500 mils of warm water I use to dissolve my SLS so that it will dissolve on time. Soda ash to my caustic soda. Another 500 ml of water to my STPP. Then I'm going to mix them. So I'm mixing them. You can use a turning stick, a wooden turning stick, or a PVC pipe. For most of my mixing, either soap or liquid soap like this, I always use my whisk. It mixes faster and better. Okay, my STPP. Then my hexapon and my sulfonic will go together. So this is it. You use a turning stick to mix it because I'm making a small amount. That's why I'm mixing it up like this. Okay. So my SLS is still dissolving, but it will eventually dissolve all. Okay. So I'll give them a few minutes to dissolve. But while I'm doing that, I'll start mixing my nitrosol. Okay. So now before we continue, I will introduce the materials once again. Our nitrosol, our caustic, it has dissolved. Our soda ash has dissolved too, at least most have. Our SLS, most too have dissolved. Our STPP, our sulfonic and hexapon already mixed. Our color, perfume and preservative. So now remember we added 500 mils. This is 1 liter, 2 liters, 2.5 liters out of our 10 liters. So I'm going to add another 2.5 liters here, making it 5 liters. Okay, so this cup takes 500 mils. Okay, 1 liter, 2 liters, 2.5 liters. So that means we have a total of 2.5, that's 5 liters. Remaining 5 more liters here for us to use. So I'll gradually be putting in my nitrosol and be mixing gradually. Okay, I'll be adding gradually and I'll be mixing. So it has dissolved. I will still add about 3 liters of water now. Two, three. So I've added 3 more liters. Okay, so I'll continue adding in my nitrosol. So now I'm going to add my caustic soda. It's important you follow these protocols the way I'm explaining them. Don't skip anyone. The way I've arranged all these, that's how we are going to add them. Okay, so this is my caustic soda that has dissolved, but I'll still filter it. I want my liquid soap to be clean and neat. Okay, so I mix it in now. After my caustic soda, I pour in my soda ash. Okay, anytime you pour in any ingredient, mix it in properly before pouring in the next one to ensure that they have completely reacted with each other. So the next thing I'm going to pour in now is my SLS solution. You can see it has completely dissolved. Okay, so I'm going to open it up now and then pour in. I'm mixing it properly to make sure the oil will act properly before I move to the next step. Okay, so my next ingredient is my STPP, and as usual I filter it. Remember, we still have 2 liters of water we've not added. Okay, That's why I didn't add all the water at once. You add a little bit so that if it is not thick enough for you, you will not add. If it is too thick for you, you add more water. Okay, so I'll now be pouring in my sulfonic and my hexapon that has been mixed together. What is it? Why do you want to off it? What's it? Pour in So all in all, here we have 9 liters of water. So now, the next thing, you can see how thick our liquid soap is. The next step is to add my color. I'm adding just a little bit.
Wow. The tiny beans looking so green, including the food like that other one you made. That look like one beautiful, expensive soap.
Yes.
The color is so beautiful.
Yes, so you can see it. The color is just like this one. You can see they are similar. Okay. So now I will not add my perfume today. This is my perfume. I will not add it today till tomorrow when I'm ready to package. So, but I'm going to add my preservative. For my preservative, I'm adding about 10 mils. Okay. I'm using formalin as a preservative. And so our liquid soap is ready. Immediately I'm ready to package, I'll add perfume. But for now, I'm not adding the perfume because I'll lose the scent. So to thicken our liquid soap, you can just fetch a little bit, add a small amount of salt, not much. Okay, that is if you want to thicken it, you mix. Then you pour inside. You see, this has significantly thickened it a lot. It has made it very, very thick now. And I believe you can see it with your eyes. See?
And also, it has a very beautiful lemon color.
Yes.
Mommy, I see that there are any cats in the wall.